減る、減る. This word means to decrease or diminish and is commonly used in both casual and formal contexts. It is a verb that describes the action of something reducing in quantity or amount. It can be used in various situations, such as discussing the reduction of prices, population, or other measurable things. It is important in discussions about changes and trends. Now, repeat after me. 減る、減る、減る. The kanji in this word means decrease or reduce. This kanji is frequently used in contexts of reduction or diminishment in size, quantity, or extent. For example, gensho refers to a decrease or reduction, illustrating the action of becoming smaller or less. In another instance, sakugen signifies a cut or reduction, often used when talking about reducing resources or costs. Meanwhile, hangen means to have, describing the process of cutting something down to half its original amount or size. Let's direct our focus to the collocations. Please shadow them for better memorization. 人口が減る. The population decreases. 人口が減る. 人口が減る. 売上が減った. Sales decreased. 売上が減った. 売上が減った. 体重が減らない. Can't lose weight. 体重が減らない. 体重が減らない. 資源が減ろうとしている. Resources are diminishing. 資源が減ろうとしている. 資源が減ろうとしている. 予算を減らす. To reduce the budget. 予算を減らす. 予算を減らす. 食品の消費が減れば. If food consumption decreases. 食品の消費が減れば. 食品の消費が減れば. 利益が減らされた. The profit was reduced. 利益が減らされた. 利益が減らされた. 経費を減らしても. Even if expenses are reduced. 経費を減らしても. 経費を減らしても. The most common alternatives to 減る include 減少する, which also means to decrease in amount. 少なくなる, referring to becoming smaller or fewer, and 落ちる, which can indicate a decline in quantity. The most common antonyms of 減る are 増える, which means to increase, 増加する, meaning an increase in number or quantity, and 増す, indicating a gain or growth in something's amount. Finally, let's practice the word 減る with some questions. Can you describe the situation of the population? 人口 in a town, 町 that is decreasing, 減る. この町では人口が減っています. The population in this town is decreasing. この町では人口が減っています. この町では人口が減っています. Tell me about your work, 仕事, and how it has changed recently, 最近, by decreasing, 減る. 最近仕事が減りました。Recently, my work has decreased. 最近仕事が減りました。最近仕事が減りました。Discuss the changes in his weight, 体重 that are happening every month, 毎月 and how it relates to 減る。彼の体重は毎月減っている。His weight is decreasing every month. 彼の体重は毎月減っている。彼の体重は毎月減っている。Explain the visibility of the river, 川 after the muddy water, 濁流 decreased, 減る。濁流が減った後、川が見えた。After the muddy water decreased, the river became visible. 濁流が減った後、川が見えた。濁流が減った後、川が見えた。